Hello friends, in today's video we'll talk about these two functions VLOOKUP and match, but in a different way. So we'll see how when these two functions are combined they become such a powerful function, especially where we have data going into n number of columns. For example, if you have your data has almost 10 years of data or 5 years of data, and if I want to pull information for a particular month, how these two combined can do wonders. In my earlier videos, I have already talked about VLOOKUP and match. So if you want to refer to any of those videos, I have those links provided in the description. Now let's see what my data for today's example is. So I've just randomly uh, put some countries over here, and my data goes from January 16 till December 20. These are just random numbers. Okay, so in this section we'll write our formula, so that means all the magic will happen in this section. When I say manual over here, this is where the column reference will be manually, it has to be defined. When I say months, okay, I'll say VLOOKUP plus match. So this is where I'll use VLOOKUP and match together. So let's get started. Which one? I'll say August 16 equal to VLOOKUP. I'll choose the month and then I'll freeze column B because I want to drag my formula down. So it's very important. In this case, I'll select the whole range. Again, press F4 to freeze the range, and now I have August 16, so that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So column reference will be 9 comma 0 and then enter. So we can see both the results are same. Now how I got 9? So 1. So I've added the column numbers over here. So this is first column, second, third, fourth, and 9. So August that I wrote over here, 9, I got it over here. Similarly, if I have to write for some other month, just copy it. Let's use, suppose October 17, or let's say August 17. So it says 21st and value is 1 5. I'll just copy the value over here for reference. I'll change this to 21 and change this to August 17. Okay, I got the same value, so I'll delete this. Now I can just drag this down. So you saw I had to every time go and see what is my column reference. So for example, in this case it was 9. Same way when I looked for August 17, it was 21. It was 21 over here. So I every time need to keep this in mind. But when I look up VLOOKUP and match together, what will be match function's role over here? So match function will define the value that I need for column reference. So for example, if I write a match function over here to see where August sits, equal to match my lookup value for, I'll take it from here, August 16 comma, and I select the range. Oops. I get 9. So what I was manually defining over here, match gave me directly. So I'll use the same logic over here. Oh, what I'll do is this is equal to this, and copy it down. And now equal to VLOOKUP. I'm looking for Canada. again select my same range, press F4, comma. Now I'll write the match function. Match this. In this case, I'll freeze the row. Now select this range, F4, comma 0, bracket close, comma 0. This bracket is for VLOOKUP, and let me freeze this. I got the same result, and it is applicable for all the countries. Same way, I'll copy them over to the right side for August 17. And I'll do one thing, I'll copy this across. I'm getting errors because I don't have anything. So August 18, August 19, August 20. Now I need to find where is 18. April, August 18 is 33. So I'll copy this, change this 21 to 33. You can see this August 18 is equal to August 18 that I got from VLOOKUP+Match. Same way for 19, I'll have to search. I think it was 33, so this should be 45. Okay, correct. This should be 57. Okay, so that was easy. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP and match together and make our work quite easy. Like, we don't have to every time go and manually define the column from where the data has to be pulled. You just, based on the values you have in your heading or any other element if you have in your data, you can use that as your reference point and retrieve information directly from there. And if you're using VLOOKUP, we don't have to take the pain of manually assigning those column reference there. Together they become a very powerful Excel tool. If you're working on dashboards or preparing new reports and you have to pull similar data, go ahead and use it. If you have any questions for me, do leave them in comments and I'll more than happy to address them. Do subscribe to our channel to get automatic updates of the new videos that I'll be posting. Thanks for watching.